Hello everyone, welcome to MindChamp videos. Today we are going to make a fish game. Let's move forward and make the game. First, go to the sprite gallery and choose the shark from the animal category. This shark will be predator and we will choose this small fish which will be my prey. In this game, the prey will be eaten by the predator. Now, choose a nice backdrop. Choose this underwater backdrop. Now, to move the shark with the mouse pointer, choose point towards mouse pointer from the motion category. Next, click move 10 steps and change the number 10 to 4, which means whenever we will press the mouse, the shark will move 4 steps. For the next step, choose forever loop to make the code inside it run forever. Now move the pointer toward and the move block inside the forever loop. For that, our shark will follow our mouse around the screen for the entire game. Coming to the fish code part, choose if then block and move it to the forever loop. This block means that if something happens, then something else will definitely happen. Next, choose show block to make the face visible first before the shark eats it. Now, choose forever loop to assure that the code we will add inside the forever loop will keep looping forever. The last thing we need to do is to add more prey to make it much more fun. To make it so, go to the sprites pane, click on the fish and select pressing duplicate and add a lot of fish in the sprites pane. Let's play the game now. Hope you like this video. Happy learning!